How to turn your best friend into your boyfriend. So, research shows that the most successful marriages start with friendships. Now, it does not mean that every single successful relationship will turn into a romantic one. Yet, if you would like that to happen, in this video I will share with you 8 ways how you can try doing it. Hello, my name is Greta Berishite. I'm dating and relationship coach for women. For the awesome high-value woman secrets, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. And just before I share with you the 8 ways on how to turn your bestie into your boyfriend, don't forget to take my free self-awareness test to find out, are you a woman of high value or low value, which I will drop down in the video description box below. And if you like any of my merch, chase goals, no drama, you can get it as always in my YouTube store. So without further ado, I will just start with the tip number 1. Be a good friend. Be there for each other. Don't let him down. Show him that he can trust you and see, can you actually trust him too? Feel free to give each other, be there for one another, have each other's back. However, when it comes to giving, instead of over-giving and trying to please him or impress him, with a man, it's better to look at what is fair. If you will observe, are you guys being fair with each other? You will not go wrong and you will not be taken advantage of either. Number 2, have a great time with him. Laugh, joke, talk about your dreams, goals, and aspirations. So when you're not together, when he remembers you, it puts a smile on his face. Number 3, if he's quite flirty with you, flirt back. Be playful and fun. If he's initiating the flirting and you do like him, flirt back. However, what happens with flirting a lot of times between guys and girls is, when the guy is flirting with you and you playfully flirting back, a lot of times girls and guys start to take these playful flirts very seriously. And then one or the other puts their foot forward and starts to share feelings with the other person. So if it's him who's doing that, that's totally fine, because as a man, he should be doing it first, as this is a pursuing step. As a woman, you do not pursue a guy like that. So if you are developing feelings for him, first, if you're just friends, try not to overthink it and try to look at it as more playful, fun way to spend time together rather than what does this mean. So if you're developing feelings for him from playfully flirting together, don't overthink it and take a more chilled approach. Eventually, if he starts to develop feelings for you too, he will make that first step. Therefore, wait it out and do not do it first, as taking the first step, you could actually ruin everything. And why you should not pursue a man, check out my video right here. Number 4, be the best of you with him. Don't go to him if you're feeling sad, negative, unattractive, and you just want to nag, complain, vent. He is not your girlfriend. He is still a man. And if you're gonna go to him sharing all these horrible feelings about yourself, looking for reassurance, yes, he might give you reassurance because he's a good friend, but his attraction towards you will start to go down. Nobody wants to date a girl that feels and thinks badly about herself. If you have insecurities or you feel not attractive, instead of going asking people for reassurance, you need to look for the appropriate steps to fix it. Number 5, ask for advice or help when you need it. If you are good friends, this is what friends do. They are there for each other. If you have a problem and you feel like he could help you with that, fantastic. Go to him and ask him for his opinion towards that problem. And if he appreciates you as a friend and fancies you, very likely he will sort that problem out for you. Ladies, Usually what I find with guy friends, if they fancy you, they will sort your problem out like that on a spot. They're just going to be so happy to help you. If they don't really fancy you, they're going to be pushing it back and saying tomorrow, 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 and eventually not helping you out with that. So in a way, it's a good way to test it how much a guy likes you. Number 6. Don't get possessive when he is friendly or flirty with other girls, or when he's sharing his dating experience with you. If he's asking you for advice, try and keep your emotions in check and give him logical advice. Then you will start getting possessive and giving him jealousy looks when he's talking to other girls. This is when he will sense it that you're developing feelings for him and actually start to mark your territory. And if he doesn't feel the same, very likely he's gonna be pulling back big time. And if he does feel the same, very likely your jealous, possessive reaction will make him play more teasing games with you. And if you would like to know the games men play on women, I have an awesome video for sale, which I will drop as a pinned comment under this video. Number 7, be very, very patient with this. It can take a couple months, it can take a year, it can even take 5 years to turn a friendship into a relationship. Therefore, make sure to keep your options open and don't wait around for him. You can actually even share your dating experiences with him as long as you're keeping it light-hearted and fun and sharing just some fun, silly dating stories with him. Make sure when you do that, don't complain or nag how difficult and hard it is to find the right guy. Actually, it is when you start to date somebody and you get more interested in that person. This is when your guy friend starts to sense it. He can see the interest in the other guy. And that is usually when your guy friend starts to panic and make these quick moves on you because he gets scared of losing you to someone else. Number 8, let him lead your friendship. So your guy friend could be doing things such as like taking you out for dinners, taking you out to the events, hanging out with you. You could actually be doing things that could come across to other people as you guys are dating. However, if he has not mentioned to you any kind of commitment more than friendship, do not assume that. No matter how playful and charming he is and how amazing he is treating you, do not let yourself assume that this is more than just friendship. Be lighthearted and go along with it. And if he wants to commit to something more serious than a friendship, he will let you know. Ladies, these were my 8 tips on how to turn a friendship into a relationship. If you liked this video, please press like. Let me know in the comments below what did you think. Join Greta's High Value Woman School, where we are all in the same boat, learning how to be a woman of high value and bring out the best in our men. Follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is called Ladies Relationship Coach. And if you would like to get my incredible packages such as how to stay attracted via text, games men play on women, how to control your emotions, how to love yourself, or how to get your ex back, I will put a link on how to buy these videos as a pinned comment under this video. And if you're sick of your 9 to 5 and would like to start your own online business, I have an incredible business course for you for sale where I'm sharing with you how I have started my online business, sharing my mindset in there, I'm sharing my strategy in there, and what it took to make it. So if you're interested in my business course, I will put a link with more information to it in my video description box below. So thank you for watching, my queens. Kisses from Dorset. Have a nice day. Mwah.